Have a feeling that you're just throwing money at your IT systems? You're just tossing it, hoping something expensive might fix it, hoping that if you spent the right amount of budget, you might actually fix it. Have you actually had your network looked at? Are you sure you're spending the right amount? Are you throwing money at the right things? Have you had an IT audit? Have you had a network audit? If you really want to know where you should spend your money and where you have spent your money, maybe give us a call at BTP and we'll come out and have a chat to you, have a look at your systems and maybe give you some money to put back in your piggy bank. Give us a call at BTP or email btp at helpdesk@btponline.com.au. See you later.